First thing is sour candies chupa chups bites. Here's 2 packets. And third thing is jams. And fourth thing is bulk. Okay, the big pack one, so I just open it now. Okay. Ta-da! Cool. And third is again Chupa Chups bubble gum in 4 different flavors: cola flavor, apple flavor, strawberry, and the cherry. Ta-da! There's so many inside it. This packet, if it's open, then I'm going to pack, so I can open still. Here, all candies I ordered from Blanket. Yeah, and it so looks nice. That looks nice, and the packing is also good. Recycle me, reuse me. The trash can wait. Yeah, of course, it's reusable. It's usable in anything, and I can do the same thing. And this is all candies. Ta-da!